Oh my goodness. Where are you going? Turtle says hi. What are you doing? So, I have not done this in a minute, but I am going to be trying to make another one of the recipes from 50 Shades Chicken. Please ignore whatever sound that is. I think it's my refrigerator. But we're in a new apartment. I've cooked a little bit in it, but other than that, not much. And I have not done anything from this book other than one thing that I repeated from last time. So now I guess I'm gonna try and make this one. This is the roasted chicken thighs with apples and cinnamon. Apparently it feeds 4. So yeah, I'm gonna prep that stuff real quick. So apparently I have nothing. So I have like versions of the ingredients. The only thing I really don't have is like garlic clove specifically and vermouth, how do you pronounce it? Vermouth? Anyway, don't have that, so I'm sure that'll affect it. Also, these apples are not super fresh, but it is what it is. They're getting cooked anyway, so I really don't care as long as there's nothing super nasty. So we'll make do with what we've got. It is 100% not the prettiest, but we'll do what we can. Let's give this a shot. It's not bad. I don't know if I need something sweet or not, or if the cinnamon's just enough. It's a lot of cinnamon though. At least the chicken's cooked all the way. I think a stick of butter's enough, but I almost think olive oil would just be the top. Lemon juice, something, but not bad. Cheers.